time, I'll pick the place, 'cause baby I know that you're the one. If you got the will, I got the way, until your heart is won. And now I can feel the tension building, but it'll be alright if you and I could simply try tonight. We've come too far to throw away all the memories that we have made. You and I were meant to be, yeah. I wanna take your love all the way before you take your love away. We gotta take your love all the way, just don't take your love away.
Good day, you guys. Today is Sunday. It is National Get Your Together Day. Okay, so I am prepping for the week, and as you saw, I'm doing some cleaning, some laundry, I'm doing some homework because I gotta study for my HESI. So I'm currently studying for my HESI. You guys, nursing, pre-nursing is hard. And nursing school is hard, but if you guys do not know, I am back in the nursing renegade field, whatever the hell you want to call it, and I'm so excited. I am just so excited to be back in the medical realm, around medical students and anyone that wants to go into the medical field, really. I think that I was always called to do this, and I just was too blind to see. If you guys saw one of my videos before, I was like, what they don't tell you about being an accounting major. I was an accounting major, and then I changed to marketing, and then general studies, and then broadcasting, and now I'm back to nursing. So I'm back to square A, and I think that it's probably the best decision that I've ever made, because my grandma's a nurse, I have an uncle that's a doctor. Nursing kind of, and like medical stuff kind of runs in my blood. So I'm really excited for what classes I'm going to be taking and everything. I'm so excited. So I'm going to study for my HESI, but before I do that, I'm going to clean up my bedroom. Let's do that. Hey guys, just cleaned my bedroom. It's clean. Now I had some laundry in my room that I needed to get done. So I'm making my way to the laundry room. I'm so tired, you guys. I never clean, and I have to clean. I'm trying to build a habit of doing it. So I'm gonna throw these clothes in the washer, and then we're gonna study. Hey you guys, it's like 2 days later, and I'm just now vlogging. If it's kind of loud, I have my fan on, but I did want to hop on here and kind of finish off this vlog. So that day I was planning on studying for the HESI exam, but a lot of things kind of got into the way, and I ended up not studying. So I decided to just study tonight. So I'm gonna vlog tonight, but before I do that, I wanted to share with you guys something really quick. Oh, look at my oils. Before I do that, I really wanted to share with you guys something that I got on Amazon that I'm really excited about. So let me show you guys. So I bought these booty bands, and I always get booty bands and then I forget to like put them away, and then I end up losing them. So I'm so excited for these. They're actually not booty bands, they're like hip circles, but they're also booty bands. I'm really excited. They're high quality. Yeah, so they come with 3 of them. So it's like medium, easy, and intermediate, and hard. So there's 3 levels of the booty bands, and I'm so excited for these. Like, I have been needing some new booty bands, so I'm really excited. And if you guys have any other recommendations or you want a favorites from Amazon, please leave that in the comments down below, because your girl would love to do an Amazon favorites. I have so much stuff that I love from Amazon, so yeah. Okay guys, so I'm sitting at my desk and I'm fixing to study, but I quickly wanted to share with you guys the HESI. You guys, my language today is just so bad. I wanted to share with you guys the HESI like study guides and everything that I've been using. So I have this one. It's from Elsevier. It is the newest HESI book. I actually got this from my bookstore at my school, and it's just the HESI Admissions Assessment Exam Review. This was like $50, but it was probably worth it because it's got HESI exam like hints. It's got like a pre-test. It's got sample questions, and it also has step-by-step explanations in the math section, as well as comprehensive practice exams with over 200 questions, so you can review all subject areas. And this is totally not sponsored, but like I'm obsessed with these types of things, and I think that having the right materials to study effectively is super beneficial, and I think that this textbook is amazing. So definitely, if you're interested in getting a new HESI exam book, I will definitely link some of my favorites in the description box down below that you can go check out. So if you can't get this one, there's a few others that I like. I also like the Pocket Prep app. When I'm like on the go, I can always study for my HESI on the go with my phone, and I think that that's really helpful as well. So yeah, we're gonna study for the HESI, and yeah, let's do that.